would have saved my children from having to live the way they did.
Survivors of domestic violence are hoping to draw more attention to a recently passed law. Clare's law allows Albertans to find out if their partner has a history of domestic violence, harassment, and other relevant crimes.
I think it's going to be beneficial for some women. My fear is that who goes and asks for a background check when they first meet somebody? So the awareness needs to be brought forward.
Tamara Cartwright-Pulitz wants people to use the law. She says it would have saved her from 13 years of domestic violence. This scar on her forehead, a broken arm, and the trauma she and her children endured. Survivors say once you get into the relationship, it's hard to get out.
My ex has quite the violent history, and I think to be able to see it for myself and not just hear through others and get the truth, you know what I mean? Through it would have really helped me because it probably would have woken me up to leave, whereas I stayed with him for 8 years.
Calgary police have seen 39 applications under Clare's law since April 1st, a number they say is fairly substantial.
We know domestic violence is in our community, and we know that it's a hidden format. It's not a bank robbery, it's not a shoplifting, it's behind closed doors. Clare's law, we hope, is a way of getting it out from being behind closed doors.
Albertans can apply for information through the province's website. Their partner will not be notified. Detective Keegan says they work with family violence agencies throughout the process. And in all his moderate and high-risk cases so far, the person has gotten continued support from SAGES. As for Simone and Cartwright-Pulitz, they are both doing a lot better now.
It isn't easy to leave, but it is possible. I suggest you do it. Just get yourself into counseling right away. There's a lot of good resources out there that you can use.
And I mean, nobody wants to run to social services. You know, nobody wants to admit it. And I think we need to take the stigma off.
If you need more information or support on family violence, you can call 310-1818. For immediate intervention, call police. Stephanie Lasuk, City News.